Welcome to Ozroll, a proudly Australian-owned and operated family business that has been servicing Australia and overseas since 1999. For those times where a slide track needs to be installed between angled veranda posts or pillars, Ozroll have the D-tube, which is an exclusive Ozroll design. There are two methods of mounting a slide track onto a D-tube. However, as we are installing our headbox in reveal fit, we'll be focusing on method 1, direct mount to the D-tube. Mount the D-tube to the post or pillar and secure with Tek screws. Secure the headbox to the D-tube between the two mounting surfaces. With your angle channels, find the correct angle between the two mounting surfaces and rivet the angle channel in place. From here, follow standard installation procedures. No deductions will need to be made. Method 2. Direct mount to surface. Mount the headbox to the surface of the post or pillar on either side of the opening. Measure from the bottom of the headbox to the ground. Then cut the D-tube to this measurement. Mount the D-tube to the post or pillar and secure it with Tek screws. With your angle channels, find the correct angle between the two mounting surfaces and rivet the angle channel in place. From here, please refer to the standard installation video. Please note that you will need to deduct 22mm either side when using this method. And that's it. You now have an Ozroll slide track installed and ready for years of trouble-free operation. For more detailed instructions or any troubleshooting, please visit ozrolltech.com.au/slidetrack/installation-advice.